Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to change your password in Roblox easily and securely. Open the Roblox app on your phone. Make sure you are using the latest updated version of Roblox, because older versions may not show all settings properly or may cause errors during login or password changes. Also, ensure you are connected to a stable internet connection before continuing. Once the app is open, log into your account if you are not already signed in. After that, go to the bottom navigation bar and look for the More option. Three dots icon. Tap on it to open the additional menu options. Now scroll down carefully until you find the Settings option. Tap on it and it will take you to your account settings page where all your personal account controls are available. Inside the settings menu, look for the account info section and open it. This area contains important details such as your username, email, and password settings. Now scroll until you find the password option. Tap on it to begin the password change process. Roblox will first ask you to enter your current password for security verification. Type it correctly to proceed. Next, enter your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using simple or easy-to-guess passwords. After that, retype your new password in the confirmation box to make sure there are no mistakes. Double-check everything before continuing. Finally, tap on the Confirm or Save button to update your password. Once completed, your Roblox password will be successfully changed, and you can use your new password the next time you log in. That's it for today's video. Hope this helped you change your Roblox password easily. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Roblox tips and tutorials.